Google gave us back the old web search, then hid it. Google has announced that it will be rolling out Gemini-infused AI Google search for all users, which includes results organized using generative AI, as well as AI overviews used to summarize topics. Google has also added a web search tab that filters out everything but text-based results.
Wait, hold on.
Similar to how Google search used to work in the 90s and 2000s.
Generative AI is sorting results? Which includes results organized using generative AI?
I don't know. Don't overthink the notes.
Okay.
Sure. Organized using machine learning.
Okay.
There. Google has also added a web search tab. Oh, yep, there we go. Okay, so the web search tab is hidden under the More drop-down menu, meaning that many users will likely never find it, but it kind of looks awesome. I was looking at the side-by-side in the Verge article, and I was like, dang, that actually looks way better.
Oh.
Because just like the random like carousels of products and stuff are just not there. Google also announced updates to its AI models. Gemini Nano now has multimodal capabilities, so that is like more than just text. There's also a new lower latency Gemini 1.5 Flash model, blah, 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 blah. Google also presented Project Astra, which the company calls their vision for the future of AI assistance. At this point, I'm just going to wait. Yeah. I don't even, Cortana, Siri, at some point, one of them is going to rise above the rest, be legitimately useful, and I'll try it then. I just can't care anymore.
We're in the rapid development fight phase, which is fun, but if you're not that interested, yeah, I don't think there's a huge point in being lightly paying attention. If
it's not your job to cover these things for a living, you don't need to try Alexa AI, which I assume probably exists in a beta state somewhere internally at Amazon. Like I don't know, who cares?
Yeah.
Perceive live audio and video, answer in real time, blah, blah, blah. Google slips a check to the DOJ. This is kind of funny. According to a motion filed by Google this morning, the company has written the federal government a cashier's check for triple the maximum damages claimed in the DOJ's ongoing antitrust trial.
Triple.
The company now claims that these monetary damages should be considered moot. The motion also argues that the case should be presented to a judge rather than a jury, both because these kinds of cases are typically decided by judges and because the case involves a complicated, intricate technology ecosystem which the DOJ has acknowledged is highly technical, often abstract, and outside the everyday knowledge of most prospective jurors. Discussion question here is, why doesn't Google want a jury? Wow. No admission of guilt, but like, hey, here's the maximum amount of money times some
3
multiplier that you guys might have.
Whoa.
I'm really glad that antitrust is heating up. I hope they go after Microsoft again for all the stuff that's going on with Windows right now.
Yeah.
I love that they're going after Apple, who have just been given a free pass just for being trendy.
Dude. Yeah.
Like you guys understand, they are just as much a part of this capitalist hellscape that we're all participating in, this like post like anything mattering other than
less a part of it because they charge more,
other than shareholder returns, right? Like the whole tech financing system is like broken because there's this expectation of this explosive growth in the money that you invest into these companies, and it has to come from somewhere. And guess what? Somewhere is you. Yeah. Apple is absolutely a participant. They are a prime participant in this. And the fact that they were just like given a free pass because they have a cute commercial where a trendy guy is like, you're a PC, you wear a suit. Like, are you for real?
I think that's pretty old at this point, but yeah, I hear you. What is this about?
I forget exactly what antitrust thing this was. Something good, I hope.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fuck 'em.
Yeah.